Hey everybody, Bill Murphy with Fairway Mortgage. There's a lot of buyers out there, little inventory. We got to get those sellers out there. However, I do want to talk about a hot topic, appraisals. Appraisals coming in a little low. It's very important if you have a multiple offer situation that drives your price above asking. I would give that information to the appraiser. A lot of agents don't think that's important. It is. Also, be prepared with your CMA where you got your comps when you meet with the appraiser. Have that conversation because we're starting to see some values come in low in multiple offer situations, but you want to be prepared for that situation. What we do here is we have a reconsideration of value where we rebut the appraisal, but we need to go in with ammunition. Multiple offer situation, we show those offers. And also in regards to your CMA, make sure it's a strong CMA, similar comps sold within the last 6 months to a year, similar square footage, similar style home. Be very careful, and also counting that square footage below grade on a ranch or a split level. So those are some of the things that we're seeing. So be very careful with that, but pay attention. We will have your back if it's a legitimate value concern and you think wholeheartedly that value is there, then we will rebut that, reconsideration of value. And we've had some success with that, or even flooring an appraisal and we get a new appraisal. That's very difficult, but it's still a possibility. So there's some tips there with the appraisals. Also, we have our Lunch and Learn February 12th, Wednesday, 11 to 1. It's our Valentine's Day special. It's going to be all about what we're expecting rates to do, what the market's going to do, what our economists are saying, different loan programs. We'll have Heather Putnam-Graham there, and we're also going to talk about credit and identity theft. I'll have a guest speaker for that. Tune in and sign up, and we'll have a good time on Wednesday. We're also available on the weekends for pre-approvals.